Welcome to this comprehensive analysis of Palantir Technologies Inc.'s financial performance for the fiscal year ending December 31, 2024. As a leading software company that builds platforms empowering organizations to effectively integrate their data, decisions, and operations at scale, we'll examine the financial results, key strategic developments, and future outlook presented in their annual report. Palantir Technologies Inc. operates as a software platform provider, serving both commercial enterprises and government agencies worldwide. The company reports in two segments: commercial, serving customers in non-government industries, and government, serving U.S. and non-U.S. government agencies. In 2024, Palantir continued its focus on expanding access to its platforms to increasingly broad customer bases, accelerating the deployment of its artificial intelligence platform, AIP, and driving growth across both commercial and government sectors through innovative solutions, including Gotham, Foundry, Apollo, and AIP platforms. Looking at Palantir's 2024 income statement, we see strong performance across all key metrics. Total revenue reached $2.87 billion in 2024, representing a 29% increase from $2.23 billion in 2023. This demonstrates robust growth momentum as the company continues to expand its customer base and deepen existing relationships. Operating income rose to $310.40 million, up 159% from $119.97 million in the previous year. This significant improvement reflects enhanced operational efficiency and scale benefits. Net income climbed to $467.92 million, marking a 115% increase compared to the $217.38 million reported in 2023. This substantial improvement highlights Palantir's successful transition to sustained profitability. These results highlight Palantir's exceptional execution of its growth strategy and operational excellence. Breaking down Palantir's 2024 revenue by segment reveals balanced growth across both customer types. Government accounts for 55% of total revenue at $1.57 billion, growing 28% year-over-year. Commercial contributed 45% to the overall revenue at $1.30 billion, also growing 29% year-over-year. The nearly equal growth rates between segments demonstrate Palantir's success in diversifying its revenue base while maintaining strong momentum in both markets, highlighting the universal applicability of its platforms. Palantir's 2024 balance sheet demonstrates exceptional financial strength. Total assets reached $6.34 billion, representing a 40% increase from $4.52 billion in 2023. Total liabilities rose to $1.25 billion, up 30% from $961.46 million in the previous year. Total equity grew to $5.09 billion, a 43% increase from $3.56 billion in 2023. The robust balance sheet strength underscores Palantir's solid financial foundation and capacity for continued strategic investments. Palantir's 2024 cash flow statement reveals outstanding cash generation capabilities. Cash from operating activities reached $1.15 billion, a 62% increase from $712.18 million in 2023. Cash used in investing activities decreased to $340.66 million, down 87% from $2.71 billion in the previous year. Cash used in financing activities grew to $463.36 million, a 112% increase from $218.84 million in 2023, primarily due to proceeds from stock option exercises and share repurchases. Free cash flow rose significantly to $1.14 billion, up from $697 million in 2023, driven by strong operating cash flow generation. This strong cash flow profile gives Palantir substantial financial flexibility for growth investments and shareholder returns. Palantir demonstrated disciplined capital allocation in 2024, launching a $1 billion share repurchase program in August 2023, of which $64.20 million was utilized in 2024 to repurchase 2.12 million shares. The company maintained its focus on reinvesting in growth while returning capital to shareholders, with no dividend payments as the company prioritizes growth investments and the share repurchase program. The company accelerated deployment of its artificial intelligence platform, AIP, which enables customers to operationalize AI and large language models with their enterprise data within legal, ethical, and security constraints. Commercial segment expanded its customer base from 497 to 711 customers, demonstrating successful market penetration and platform adoption. In government markets, Palantir enhanced its offerings, with continued focus on national defense, cybersecurity, and critical infrastructure applications. Palantir also made strategic moves in international expansion, with 34% of revenue coming from non-US customers, including significant growth in partnerships across Europe and Asia. The company invested significantly in research and development, with R&D expenses of $507.88 million, largely focused on AI integration and platform enhancement capabilities. Customer count saw a 43% increase from 497 to 711 customers, while average revenue per top 20 customers increased 18% to $64.60 million. For the commercial segment, revenue grew 29% year-over-year, but U.S. commercial revenue increased 54%, demonstrating accelerating domestic adoption. International operations represented approximately 34% of consolidated revenues in 2024. By the end of 2024, Palantir had 3,936 employees worldwide, supporting its global operations and growth initiatives. The company's total remaining deal value reached $5.40 billion as of December 31, 2024, up 40% from the prior year, indicating strong future revenue visibility. In 2024, Palantir navigated a complex regulatory landscape while maintaining strong growth momentum. Government AI regulations, particularly the EU AI Act, could impact future product development and compliance costs in international markets. In ongoing geopolitical tensions, including the Russia-Ukraine and Israel conflicts, Palantir has provided strategic support while managing associated cybersecurity risks. Regulatory reviews continue across multiple jurisdictions regarding data privacy, export controls, and national security considerations affecting government contracts. Additionally, the company faced increased competition from both large technology companies and specialized software providers in the data analytics and AI space. Challenges include talent acquisition in competitive markets, maintaining security clearances for government work, and scaling operations globally while meeting diverse regulatory requirements. Competition intensified as major cloud providers and enterprise software companies expanded their AI and data platform offerings. Market conditions benefited from increased enterprise focus on AI adoption and data-driven decision-making, though macroeconomic uncertainty affected some customer spending patterns. 2024 was a transformational year for Palantir Technologies, Inc., with exceptional financial results, including 29% revenue growth and 159% operating income growth, and remarkable strategic progress in AI platform deployment. The company's strong balance sheet, with $5.20 billion in cash and marketable securities, enabled it to balance growth investments with shareholder returns through its share repurchase program. While navigating regulatory complexities and competitive pressures, Palantir continues to demonstrate technological leadership and market differentiation, with artificial intelligence integration and platform scalability as the central focus of its strategy going forward. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The information presented is based on publicly available sources and may contain inaccuracies or omissions. Viewers should consult official Alphabet Inc. financial statements and SEC filings for the most accurate data. Investment decisions should not be based solely on this content. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and market conditions can change rapidly. Always consider your personal circumstances and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest financial analyses.